The vehicle right behind me might not be special to some of you guys, but to us, we are truly excited to work on it. Standing in front of me is the all-new 2027 Rivian R2, and it just came straight from the dealership and right to our shop. It's not every day we get to work on a fully brand new vehicle that just hit the roads, and being one of the first shops in Minnesota to work on it is something that we are truly proud of. So today's goal is pretty simple. We are going to be giving this R2 the first upgrade every vehicle should have, and that's Ultrafit's Nano ceramic window tint. But this isn't just going to be an installation video. Before we tint anything, we're going to take real measurements of the factory glass. We'll test how much visible light is getting through the windows straight from the factory. Then once the Ultrafit Nano ceramic tint is installed, we'll repeat the same tests so you can see the difference with actual data instead of just taking our word for it. And talk about why ceramic window tint is one of the best upgrades you can make, especially if you plan on driving your vehicle year-round. So first, we're going to be measuring the visible light straight from factory. So it's pretty straightforward how this tool works. Basically, you line it up from the outside, and it is currently showing 100% visible light transmission. So now we're going to measure the rear. So after measuring all of the windows, the front windshield, driver and passenger, has no visible light rejection. As for the rears, they are clearly dyed glass. All right, so we have the R2 in the tint bay. Before we get into this install, let's talk about the film that we are going to be using for this Rivian R2. We're using Ultrafit's Nano Ceramic Vivid Comfort series. The customer wanted to do 30% tint, so we're going to be using this specific box right here. This window film provides the perfect blend of privacy, performance, and all-around comfort. With the 30% visible light transmission, this R2 is going to be receiving darker appearance while still maintaining great visibility from inside the cabin. The built-in nano ceramic technology in this window film is going to help reject infrared radiation, keeping the interior of your car cooler and more comfortable while driving. One data point we're going to be talking about is TSER, or total solar energy rejection. Simply put, TSER measures how much of the sun's total energy is blocked by the window film before it enters your vehicle. That includes visible light, infrared radiation, and ultraviolet radiation. The higher TSER percentage, the less solar energy makes it into your cabin, making your daily drive more comfortable. On top of that, this window film is going to be providing 99% UV rejection. Now, let's get this film installed and compare the results. And just like that, the Rivian R2 is fully completed. The 30% Ultrafit Nano ceramic tint gives this R2 a factory plus look while also adding the benefits of the window tint technology. Now, to show you the data and the difference, client didn't want the front windshield tinted, so we're going to show you the difference between nano ceramic tint and no tint at all. This meter right here, this will display visible light transmission, infrared radiation rejection, and ultraviolet rejection. First up is the driver's side door. So with the meter on our tinted window, it is clearly showing a 26% visible light transmission, a 92% infrared radiation rejection, and 100% ultraviolet rejection. Now we're gonna put this up on the windshield to show you the difference. So with the meter on the windshield, our data reads 80% of visible light transmission, 62% infrared radiation rejection, and 100% of ultraviolet rejection. And next we have this digital thermometer, which will visually show us the difference in temperature between this vehicle and a non-tinted vehicle, which we'll show later on. We're going to be using the center console as a reference point. So it is showing around 108 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to show you the difference between a non-tinted vehicle. We have this non-tinted Chevy Impala, and as you can see, it is clear as a fishbowl. Let's go ahead and measure the temperature inside. So we're going to measure the center console one more time. And it is coming out to around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And that is a major difference between a tinted vehicle and a non-tinted vehicle. So just looking at the numbers, you can see the difference in all of our data points. It's not just about making the vehicle look better, it's about creating a cooler and more comfortable cabin and helping protect both the interior and everyone inside from harmful UV exposure. So whether you drive an EV like this R2 right here, or just any other vehicle, Nano ceramic window tint is arguably the first upgrade you should do to your vehicle. Now, if you enjoyed this transformation of our behind the scenes and a little bit of educational background of window tint, you can stay up to date with us on our projects and more videos just like this if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now with that, let's move on to the next project.